Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Myself Sonam teacher. As in last episode, I have taught you for the class 7 supplementary readers first lesson, that is the tiny teacher. We are going to proceed the same story about the tiny teacher. In last episode we had talked about the types of ants, yes, and how they are living in the ant hill. Also what is known as to the small young ones of the ants, that is groups, and how the soldiers and workers, they are doing their own work continuously and ants are living a peaceful life. So in this next story we are going to see that how the queen ants are laying the eggs, what is the particular lifestyle of the queen or other ants. See, the queen is the mother of the entire population of the colony. What is population? You have must be you heard the word population most of the time. That is the particular number of people living in a particular area, it is population. For example, if we are talking about the Solapur city, the people who are living in a Solapur city collectively, when we get a number, that is the population of Solapur city. Or if we are talking about the class 7th, Blueberry is having 35 students in the class. So we can say that the population of the class 7th standard Blueberry is 35. Got it? Population is the number of people living in a particular area. So the queen ant is the mother of the entire population of the colony. As we have seen talk about colony is the group of ants are living togetherly, it is known as colony. So in that particular area, in that colony might be 2000, 3000 or 5000 ants are living. So the queen ant is the mother of those all ants. It lives for about 15 years. The lifespan, in science you had learned about lifespan. What is lifespan? The number of years or the period from the birth of the insect or animal or human being to the death of that particular person, animal or the insect is known as lifespan. From birth till the end, the particular years are known as lifespan. So what is the lifespan of the insect? Ant, yes, it is 15 years, means the one ant can live for the 15 years, but we are talking about the ant which is a queen who lives for 15 years. When we talk about the human being, the lifespan of human being is approximately 60 years, 70 years till the 100 year, and very rarely above the 100. It has a pair of wings. Who has a pair of wings? Yes, the ants, the queen ant is having the pair of wings. Pair of wings means they are having total 4 wings, as in one pair they are having 2 wings. So in pair of wings, 4 wings they are having, but bites them off after its wedding fight. See, as we observe the ants normally, they are not having the wings. Yes, because the ants relieve or they remove their wings, or it was disappear after the wedding flight. What is the flight? Yes, to fly. So after the wedding flight, the queen ants will be find without the wings. Yes, before the wedding flight, those ants were having the pair of wings, means 4 wings, but after wedding flight it will be disappeared and will observe the normal ants. This flight takes place on a hot summer day. The queen leaves the nest and goes out to meet a male ant or a drone high up in the air. On its return to earth, it gets rid of its wings and then does not but lay eggs. See, what is the wedding flight? The wedding flight means the ants moves or they flies in hot summer days. Hot summer days? Yes, in the month of May, June, that is the hot summer day. So, in the summer days, those ants are having the wings and they fly high in the air and they meet to the male ant. As we know that there are the different genders in the human being. Same way, in the ants also they are having the different genders like male and female. So, here the male and female ants are meet together in the air, in the high air during the hot season like summer. That time the that time is known as the wedding flight. That time's flight is known as wedding flight. During that wedding flight, those female ants remove their wings, or it will be disappear, and when they come return to the earth, to the ground, that time its wings and there were no any wings, and they were started to lay the eggs. After the wedding flight, they started to lay the eggs. Who started? Yes, the queen ants. Other ants are not laying the eggs, only the queen ants can lay the eggs, so that is known as the mother of all ants from the colony. See, eggs hatch and groups come out. Soldier guard them. Who come out? Groups from the egg, and the soldier guard those groups in the colonies. Workers feed and clean them and also carry them about daily airing, exercises and sunshine. Okay. As we observe a small baby in our house, we can observe that our grandmother, what she is doing with the baby? Yes, she is just the mother is feeding the baby, then grandmother is carrying that small baby outside in the sunlight to get the vitamins. Also, while giving the bath to that baby, the grandmother is doing some massage. Yes, that is like exercise. Same way, in ants also, the soldiers, workers, what they are doing? They are feeding and cleaning the groups. Cleaning is very important. As in our house for small baby, we are giving them bath. Same way, the ants, worker ants, clean the rooms and they feed them. What is mean by feed them? To feed means to give the food. The soldiers guard them. They take care security of those groups and also carry them about daily airing. So, understood? Daily airing, just for some exercise and to get the sunlight, they take out those groups in their mouth and again they keep them inside. Yes, this is an interesting thing. Might be you have seen many times the ants are having some white color things in their mouth and they are walking one behind, or they are following each other in a particular line. They are moving with a white something in their mouth. So, what is that white part or white object? Yes, that is nothing but groups which came out from the eggs. So, when they are taking out of the anthill those groups to give the air or the sunshine. Yes, might be you surprised what they are carrying. Sometimes we think that other type of food they are carrying, but that small white part is nothing but the groups which they carry to give air, to make give them some exercise and the sunshine. After 2 or 3 weeks later, groups become cocoons and lie without food or activity for 3 weeks more. Then cocoons break and perfect ants appears. Now it's time for teaching and training. New ants learn their duties from old ants as workers, soldiers, builders, cleaners, etc. After few weeks training, the small ants are ready to go out into big world of work. See, as we know that the small baby is always imitating us. What is mean by imit? Yes, what action you are doing, the same action the baby repeats. For example, you are doing study in the home, your baby brother or sister, what he or she will do? Yes, they started to asking for the pen or pencil to you. Or suppose your mother is going to bake, doing the cooking in the kitchen, so he or she wants to do the cooking with mother. Correct, they are imitating or they are just observing us, and the same action they started to repeat. As we see the journey of the small baby of talking, yes, as you talk in front of the baby, the same word baby try to repeat, and by this process only they understood, or only those process will help them to talk or walk also. Same way the ants are also trained, the small baby ants are also trained by the other ants as they become adult. So, what is the stage, what are the stages of the life cycle of the ant? Yes, first is egg, then it comes to the groups, sorry, and the groups are always or many times they are took out of the home, that is anthill, to get the air, exercise and sunlight. Yes, and after some time again those groups are kept inside the home anthill, and they were secured by, or they were safely guarded by the soldier ants. Yes, as the worker ants are keeping them out, taking them inside or feeding them, cleaning them, but the soldiers are save them or just guard them. When it become the cocoons, what is the cocoon? Next stage of the life cycle of the ant. Third one stage is cocoons. When it become cocoons, they can live without food some particular time, and that is 2 weeks to 3 weeks. They can live for the more 3 weeks without food. Means as in a group stage they can eat the food, they does not need in the cocoon stage more food. So, after the cocoon stage they can become a adult one ant, and as soon as it come in the stage of adult ant, then the time for the training. What is the training? Yes, how to catch the food, how to find out the food. This type of work are teach to the ants, new ants by the old ants, but as we know that the work of searching food is done by only worker ants. Yes, so as the ant will become adult, they are observing, and they just observe those ants, and they decide that maybe this ant will be a soldier ant, or might be this ant will be a queen ant, or it will be a worker ant. Queen ant automatically they can identify with their color and their behavior, but about the workers and the soldiers, they might be having the same appearance. So, by their behavior they can decide what will be the work of those particular ants. So, the worker ant will give training to the ants who are going to be worker ants only, and the soldier ants will give the training to the new soldier ants to become or make them soldiers. After few weeks training, those small ants will be ready for the big world of their or big life. Yes, means now they can ready to face the life or the everyone, because up to becoming the ant they were served or they were guarded by the soldiers, everyone was take care of them, but now they have to take care of themselves and others also, because they become adult. So, let us see the next paragraph. An anthill is a home not only for ants but also for some other creatures. Yes, previously we talked, no, as in our house we are not living only our grandparents, parents, brother or sister. Along with us, our pet animals also living in a home, and they are helpful to us. Yes, same way in the ant's house or home, in anthill some other creatures also present. So, which are those creatures and why they are allowing to them to live in the home? See, an anthrace is a home not only for ants but also for some other creatures like beetles, lesser breeds of ants and the green fly. Why do ants want these alien creatures to live in their nest? For several reasons, and those reasons we are going to see. See, as in our house we are having pet animals for some purposes that we discussed earlier, that cat and dog, they are helpful to us, cow, goat, those are also helpful. So, we are rearing such type of animals, but why the ants are allowing the other creatures to live in their home? Yes, for different reasons, that is, some of the creatures from those living in the anthill are secrete or gives out the particular type of juice from their body which is helpful for the ants. So, what are the different reasons? See, other give sweet juices, some of them are giving sweet juices which are helpful to the ants. Some are giving the pleasant smell. Okay, in our house sometimes we feel the nature is not fresh or we are not feeling fresh. What we are doing? Yes, we are using the room fresheners. But see, the ants does not need to use the room fresheners. Why? Because they are having already some other insects who are giving the pleasant smell, who are release the pleasant smell for their home or house, that is anthill. And some other insects are give the juice, sweet juice which is helpful for the ants, and some are just pet or plaything like cats and dogs to the human beings. The green fly is the ant's cow. Okay, as we talk about, we are rearing some animals like domestic animals, they are known as domestic animals, cow, goat and bullocks. Yes, they are helpful to do some particular work. Bullock help us to work in the farm. Yes, cow gives us milk and the goat also gives us milk which is useful to us. Same way, the ants are having different animals and some of them are useful, some of them are only for playing with them or give the company. As a parrot is not much more helpful to us, but it gives a company to us and make our environment pleasant. For example, at your home no one is there, you are sitting alone in the home, you are doing your study, you are watching the television, then also you get bored. So, what you started to do? Yes, you will go to your parrot who is your pet animal and you will just give some chilies and you started to talk with the parrot and you can play and spend your time. Means to just give a company. Also we are keeping some animals at our home or we are rearing them. Same way, ants also have some insect inside the anthill which just for a plaything, just as a plaything or just to give the company. The green fly is the ant's cow. Why it is known as ant's cow? See, the ants train it to give the honeydew like milk. See, the house fly is secreting some juice from their body which is known as honeydew. Okay, it is a juice, sweet juice which is secreted by the green fly is known as honeydew, and such honeydew will be used as a milk for the baby groups with a touch of their antennae. Okay, as we know that how the cow is giving milk to the baby cow, yes, or the cub, or same way the ant is giving milk or the honeydew to the other ant or the small baby ant with the help of antennae. As we previously talked that the antennae or the feelers are very useful to them as they can communicate with each other with the help of those both antenna. When we are calling it is two, that is antenna, and when it we are calling it plural for the plural, that is antennae. So, ants are having antennae, a pair of antenna which is used as a connection or communicate with each other, and also to take the milk from the other one. They milk it just as we milk the cow. Okay, they help the groups to get the milk. Have humans learned as much as ants have? Perhaps they have, but they haven't put their learning to good use. They many still learn a few things from this tiny teacher. See, as we talk that teachers are teaching us, parents are teaching us, grandparents are teaching us, but sometimes these type of small creatures like ant, they are teaching us many things. So, what we learn from them? Yes, what they teach us, that we are going to see in this paragraph. They teach us the hard work, sense of duty and discipline, cleanliness, care of young ones, and above all the firm loyalty to the land where they live. Okay, as we talk about the dog, which is very loyal animal, who always we can say it is a trusted animal. We can trust on our dog. He is very faithful. Same way, the ants are also faithful and they are loyal, but they are loyal to their land where they live, and they are helpful to each other as they does not disturb each other's life. Yes, they always try to help each other without disturbing. They take care of young ones very nicely, means they shows us how to take care of young ones. We should not disturb anyone, we should not harm them, but we should, yes, take care of them. Also, they help us to know about the sense of duty. What is sense of duty? Yes, how we have to do our work, that is sense of duty. For example, the particular work is allocated to you. So, you should not wait for anyone else to do your own work. You should start to do that work with 100% confidence, and whatever efforts you need to complete that work, you should take. So, the ants teach us that we should be sensible, or we should have the sense of duty to complete our work properly. Also, they shows us discipline. As we talk about discipline word, it is very important in each and everyone's life. Yes, as it is very important in human beings, the same way it is important for the insects and animals. How they shows us discipline? Yes, as we talk in the previous episode, that ants are living a peaceful life as they don't disturb anyone's life, they do their own work, they are living in a particular area which is reserved for them. Same way, if we will also follow the rules, for example, the rules of the traffic, yes, traffic rules for the safety of ourselves and others also. But sometimes we are not following those rules, so we are not disciplined. That time we can call it we are not disciplined, or the particular time is allocated to you to do your work, but what you are doing, you are not doing your work in your time. Instead of that, you are disturbing others' schedule. So, it is also a undisciplined way. So, the ants are showing discipline as they are living in their life or in their rooms, in their entries safely, and they are not disturbing others. Yes, and what they are doing? They just live their life peacefully, and they are walking in a particular queue without disturbing the discipline. So, discipline is not only about the rules and regulation following, but it comes in the manners, that how we talk, how we behave with others. So, discipline is very important thing which is we learn from those small tiny creatures are known as ants. Hard work, which is very important. Gandhiji told that there is no any option for the hard work. Hard work, there is no substitution for the hard work. Substitution, another way or option. If you are not doing the hard work, there will be no gain. Yes, no pain, no gain. Yes, when you do the hard work, that time might be you get pain, means sometime you have some difficulties, but after the end you will get the success. So the ants are showing the hard work, as the worker ants are continuously they are doing their work to search the food and store it in the storehouses. Same way the soldier ants are guard the grooms in the nurseries, and they help to just keep them safe inside the home. Then the queen ants are always keep doing the work continuously to lay the eggs and to does not disturb anyone else. Means each and every type of ant were doing their own work and continuously without any laziness. Yes, if you will not become lazy, you can complete your work within time and it will be 100% successful. So the ants, those small tiny teachers teach us that hard work, sense of duty, discipline, cleanliness, yes, which is very important. In nowadays, as we know that the environment is not suitable for the healthy life, as the COVID-19 is spread all over the world, and everyone is searching for the vaccine for that, but yet it is not find out. So till then what we have to do? We have to take care of ourselves, our family members, neighbors and everyone. So how can we take care? Yes, by the cleanliness. We should clean the objects continuously. For example, as your father came from the market, you should not touch that bag without sanitizing it. Yes, and as he come inside, he should take a bath. Whatever objects are touched by other people, that should be cleaned with the help of sanitizer. And you should take the healthy diet. That is very important. When we take the healthy diet with full of nutrition, then it will be helpful to make your body strong and it give or improve your immunity system. Same way the ants are telling us the cleanliness is very important, and that is we observed by the ants behavior. As the worker ants were doing, yes, they are just taking the groups in their mouth, they keep them outside the ant hill for some particular time to get the airy exercise and yes, to get the sunshine. As we know that sunlight is very important for us also. Yes, it is giving the vitamins and which is a good sanitizer. We can say the sunlight is very important. It is good sanitizer. As you are observing, your mother is daily washing your clothes and she just dry those clothes in the sunlight. Yes, because the sunlight, the heat of the sunlight will be make or disappear, or it will kill the germs from your clothes. So that the ants also using this sunlight to be healthy life and to clean the groups. So in this way we had learned in this episode, in this story, that ants are very helpful to us. As once again we will revise the lesson. We was started from the tiny teacher, that is nothing but an ant, yes, which is living in the house which is known as anthill. They are having a particular lifestyle. There are 4 stages in the ant's life cycle. That is first one egg, groups, then cocoon, and last one is adult ant. And when they are in the stage of the cocoon, they can live without food 2 to 3 weeks, and after that they are served by, or they were guarded by the soldiers. They were fed by the worker ants, and they were cleaned by the same worker ants. And who are laying the eggs? Yes, only the queen ant is laying the egg. That is the particular work. As they are having the particular reserved places to live, they are not interfering each other's life, and there are thousands of rooms and passages in the anthills, though it is too small. The ants are having discipline in their life. They are hard working. They are found in different colors, but the common 2 color of ants are black and red, which we found. Also they are allowing other few insects to live in their house or in the anthills that are helpful to them. So the cow of the ants, that is a green fly which gives or secrete the honeydew, which is known as the milk of ants. As we are drinking the milk which is we got from the cow, same way the green fly is giving the honeydew as a milk for the ants. So, by the story of this small insect ants, we understood that in our life we cannot say my school teachers are only my the teachers or guru. We can say sometimes your parents, grandparents, other few people, might be your friend is your good teacher. Same way today we had learned that the tiny teacher, that is ants are our teacher, which taught us that we should live our life peacefully without fighting with anyone else. We should be a hard worker. We should be very sensible regarding our duty, means a sense of duty should we have, and we should be disciplined. When our life is disciplined with hard work, then only we can become a successful. But for becoming successful, only the confidence and all things are not important. The healthy lifestyle is important, that is the cleanliness is very important, which is taught by the ants to us. They are living with each other happily and they take care of the young ones. Yes, so you should take care of the young ones in your family, neighboring, wherever you are going. You should not disturb anyone. So, the moral of the story, we should be hard worker, sensible for the duty. We should keep our area clean and we should be disciplined and loyal to the land where we live, means we should have the loyalty regarding, or we should be loyal regarding our country. So, the very interesting story, and you are going to observe the small insect in your home or around your home. So, you have to note down, as I said in previous episode, might be you had noted some other points regarding the ants. So, we are going to see the exercise regarding this lesson in the next episode. Till then, take care. Thank you.